Hi guys, welcome back again. So today I'm going to be watching this top. So let's get into the video. So the first thing you are going to do is to stitch the lower part of the top, like separately. On a normal day, you join the side, then you now fold in the lower part. But I'm going to fold in the lower part first, of the front and the back. So after doing that, after folding in, then you now join by the side. You can leave more than 1 inch allowance. Mine is 1 inch allowance. You can try to use 1.5 depending on how you want it, but mine is 1 inch in. So
this is the front.
You can see the video.
So what I'm going to do next,
so just join by the side. You join the side that is from the sleeve to the lower part.
Join the sides.
So let's go. After joining, then you open the stitch. As you can see in the video, you open it up, then iron in between on both sides. Do that for the 2 sides of the top. So press well. After that, you create a rope, like 2 ropes. The one I did is 36 inches long. It's 6 inches long, then 1 inch wide divided by 2, that's 0.5. So after stitching, then you turn out. You can use bobby pin to turn out. Then after that, note that if you check the illustration, the picture reference, you see that the ruche is starting at the waist. That is where you have your half length measurement.
This is the waist, the half length.
You see where you have your half length measurement. That's where it's going to stop or start.
So I'm going to run.
You can decide to mark so that you won't make any mistake. So you're going to sew round.
On both sides.
You're going to sew round on both ends. You're going to sew round. Then you leave an opening at the upper part. That side that is close to the waist, you're going to leave an opening. So you just run horizontal or vertical lines, but you won't close it up at the top. So after that, the rope that you've cut that is 36 inches long, you divide it into 2. After that, then you insert. As you can see, you insert. So you have 2 ends. So you drag in a little on both sides. So after dragging in on both sides, you see for the other side too. So you're going to run a stitch on it. See, you're going to run a stitch on it. So this is what I have. Cut out excess thread. So this is what I have now. So you can pull it up. You can pull it to create that effect. You pull it, and that is it. You did that for the other side too. Yes, so this is what we have. Please let me know if you tried this out. Please drop comment. So this is the top, ruched to the waistline. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. Please kindly like and subscribe.